A few moments later.
We're about to land in Thailand. We're descending right now. It's gonna be like another half an hour. Just washed my face, brushed my teeth. This one is just, I'm filling out this card, whatever. Telling Thailand she's a bum, you know. Basically, you know, whatever. Where are we? Thailand. I just got a SIM card. We are officially lit. My change. We are officially in Thailand. We're in the Sky Hotel in Bangkok. Hey girl. We're in the hotel. About to check in. Complimentary drinks. This is my room. I got my own room. You have to insert the key. Oh, I got a robe. Yay. I'm on the 63rd floor, so this is my view. Now the best part, look how big this bed is, just for me. Peace. What's up? This is Diana's room. Hi, honey. We're about to have some lunch. Yes, the rice. Hey girl. Hi guys. I just wanted to check in. It's currently like 3 a.m. here in Thailand, and we just were jet lagged, so we went and slept and showered and all that stuff, and I just woke up because I was hungry and ordered myself some room service. So I'm just here catching up on my YouTube videos and eating some food. So in a few hours, I think I have to wake up at 7. We are going to get our tattoos. Guess who came to visit me? Hey there.
A few moments later.
Hey. Try this rice. Look at that potato. Let me see. Garlic. Oh my god.
You showered? Yeah. I came to get her shampoo and conditioner. I'm just like, oh wait, let me just shower here.
3 hours later.
Me and her wearing matching outfits. Serving that to the clean Vans on a rainy day. You're very brave.
Tourist. Sweating tourist.
Let's go. We got our tickets. Cool. Come. What's her name? C. Hi.
Why? Because it's offering sweet things, you get sweet thing back.
Oh, I like that.
And like this one, it says it's kind of like send a message to the God.
Oh.
So usually when we offering, we will like combine everything together.
Okay.
So I recommend this one.
Okay. Hi there.
Hi.
So you got your offering?
Yes.
Hey there, honey. Got your plantain offering. I'm eating this coconut treat. Oh my god, it's the most delicious thing ever. Yeah, have one. It's so good, I can't finish it.
Hi, ladies. We're gonna check that corner. Respect to them who create this kind of skill first.
Okay. We're about to thank the gods for creating this setting, and then we're gonna go inside the artist's house where we get our tattoos and speak to him and stuff. He opened his house as an art gallery. Sama Saputasa Naputasa Sawato Arahato Tama.
This one, because we have incense, we have to make the fire. Yeah, because of we send the message to the
Okay.
God we are coming. Please bless to us too.
Hi guys, we're about to get tattoos. We're at this guy's house and he opened it like a gallery, and we speak to him about the kind of things we want, like protection, attraction of good things, love, peace, happiness, and then pick the style, and he kind of puts it together for us. So I'm definitely getting the Angelina Jolie inspired tat with the, you know, the vertical lines on her back. So I'm scared, but I'm so excited. Are you excited? Diana's up first.
20 minutes later.
dedicated. No, because he said it's been a trend. Concentration. I'm glad this one.
You did it.
And concentrate.
Delicia, you did it. Getting some sweet bananas, fried bananas after our tattoo. Thank you. Delicious. I'm vegetarian. How you feeling, tatted ladies? I got the veggie fried rice. Because, I'm still vegetarian out here. Look at her shirt. Our shirts are matching. Full of blood. We're going back to the hotel. We found our way back, which is great. Too long to get under. Yeah, yeah. You're stuck in the middle. Yeah, yeah. And the pain is thunder. Yeah, yeah. Ooh. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Okay, just stop. Yo, whoa, y'all too lit, yo. Y'all too lit. Y'all need to get your lives Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa.
I'm like, she needed a nap so she could sleep.
Anything new?
No, that's the main road. At least go to the main road. Get out of the side streets. You go to the main road, we're farther away. If you took the long way, make it up. What, did you see an exit on that side? You're welcome. Don't try me.
Court them down and get a tattoo.
How you feeling?
Yo, you ready for this?
The train station here is so clean compared to New York. New York is so dirty.